It's the last thing you think about is currency or anything like that, and this actually has meaning other than just being beautiful to look at, and it's extraordinary, really extraordinary work, and I'm just amazed and different. It's all, each one is different, has a different concept, a different whole look and theme about it, but it's unique. I've never seen anything like it, and I've gone to a lot of exhibits in my lifetime, but it's beautiful, wonderful work.